It's Christmas time again, and you know what that means? We're gonna be unboxing this right now. Hello everyone, and welcome to Curious Tech Life, the channel where we satisfy your tech curiosities and let the benefits upgrade your life. I'm Rod Garcia. Thank you for joining us today. Now on this special episode, we are going to be unboxing something very different. We're going to be unboxing the official Starbucks journal that's available here in the Philippines. Now, why are we going to be unboxing a Starbucks planner? Why not? It's Christmas anyway. And you know, at least it's something different. Now, this particular Starbucks planner is one of 4 variants that Starbucks is offering to its customers this year, 2021. The reason why I say 4 variants is because there are 4 different things that you can avail from Starbucks. These 4 things are the white planner, the black planner, the limited edition white mug, and the limited edition Starbucks tumbler. Now, in order for you to avail one of these things, all you need to do is collect 18 stickers or virtual stickers depending on what you're using. And once you all fill up 18 of those stickers, then you can avail either this one or any of the other 3 variants. So for this episode, we're going to be opening this. We're going to check out what's inside and see if this is something that, something that you can use. I want to thank my wife, Ida, for offering to unbox her limited edition Starbucks planner for 2022. Thank you so much, babe. And so let's unbox this baby. Here we go. This particular Starbucks planner just comes with a white box with the Starbucks logo in front. Nothing in the back, nothing in the side, nothing. Actually, it kind of looks like an iPad mini, iPad mini box, but it's actually Starbucks. We're gonna get my box cutter right here, and I will be as gentle as possible. So we're gonna tear out that one. There goes the gentleness right there. And of course, here's a Starbucks. Open it here from the side, right here. Open it from this side and this side. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is now, well, part 1 of 2 of the planner. As you can see, you have the Starbucks logo right there in front, and some, I think these are like the mermaid fish scales, I suppose. But that's how it looks like right here in the front. And then you have this little keychain right here that opens up with this zipper. And when you open up the zipper right there, what do we see? Okay, so what's inside? We have the planner itself, this one. And then this one just becomes your cover. I don't know if you remember a few years ago when they had like a travel planner and they had something like this, but it's much smaller. So it kind of works that way. So basically, this is where you can put your Starbucks planner. And then here, there will be some flaps wherein you can put notes and bookmarks or paper, different stuff that you want to do. Here, right here in the middle, if you look at this one, it's a little flap, so maybe you can put your pen right there, your favorite pen, that it can fit right there. This is basically the cover part. This one is the actual planner. It's a little different from previous years when like this size. It's a little different this year. All right, so this is now the planner. Pretty thin from previous years. And then you have this elastic band to make sure that it doesn't open up. Right, so we're gonna remove the elastic band right here, and we're gonna open up what's inside. All right, so you got your Starbucks, and then the artwork. I think there's like artwork, and then okay, so we've got some colored artwork also inside. Pretty cool. And I think this is how it all works inside, which is you have your artwork, and then you have your whole calendar view. I'd call that a calendar view, and then you know, per day view. You have enough space right here that you can write your schedules and all of that. It's not as big as the previous planner, so you might not have enough space in writing in between. But if that's all right with you, then it shouldn't be a problem. Now, at the end of every month, you do get, you know, for notes, and it's more like the dotted line. There are a lot of people who like the dotted line, so you can have dotted lines here. And then afterwards, you go to the next page, and then there's an artwork that introduces you to the next month. Okay, so that's what the artwork looks like. And again, the same thing. Again, it's a planner, right? Plus, you also have a little bit of bookmark here. So at least if you want to remember a certain date, or you know, figure out where you are in the month or in the year, at least you can put a bookmark right there. And that's it. That's it. No. Wow, that's all. Okay, so we put the elastic band right there, and then you put it inside. So it's like a separate container. Actually, you can use this part for some other stuff. I don't know, you want to put some other notes here, use it as a Filofax. Anybody remember Filofax? Basically, this is what comes with the white version of the planner. It just comes with these two items right here. You can actually get the black variant if you don't like the white version. You want to get the black one, which is also pretty cool. Or if you're not the kind of person who doesn't want to use like planners and stuff, then you can also go for either the tumbler, it's a bit tall tumbler, and the limited edition Starbucks cup. Some people call it mug. Kind of looks more like a cup to me. Now I have checked this from top to bottom, inside and out, and I don't see any coupons. That's a bummer. Usually at the end of the planner, when you open it, there are detachable coupons that are for buy one, take one on a certain month, or there's a discount for a particular month. Kind of missed that this year. We don't have it in this package, but other than that, it looks very cute. It looks very handy. It's small enough that you can put it in your bag, in your handbag, or whatever kind of bag you have. Since we're talking about planners, let me ask you, what are your plans for 2022? Any goals that you want to achieve? Any new plans that you want to do? Maybe certain things that you want to finish in 2022 that you haven't done or thought of doing for the longest time, but you never really got to do it. I want to encourage you to go to the comment section and respond to the questions. What are your plans for 2022? I want to know. Put it right down there and let's talk about it. Now, if you're planning to get the Starbucks planner for 2022, just make sure that you have plans and not just put it on paper, but actually do them.